1,000 true fans, the concept is trying to get 100 people that are willing to invest $100 a year into your career.
Yeah.
So what can an artist do to start building the steps to getting to 1,000 true fans and making $100,000 a year?
And so first, I think you need to do the math backwards. This is something I start with everyone, whether you're a business owner, musician, whatever it is. If you want to make $100,000, what products do you have available right now? And then how many of those current products do you need to sell to get to that $100,000? So if the only thing you have right now is a CD and it's $10, you need to sell however many thousand CDs, 10,000 CDs.
10,000 CDs, yeah.
And if that's the only product that you have, then that's what you do.
Right.
You're like, well, I got to. What do I need to do today to get me closer to selling 10,000 CDs?
Right.
Now, where smart business owners come into play and smart entrepreneurs, musicians, artists, is they say, cool, I have a $10 CD. What if I also had a $20 T-shirt? Now, I only need to sell 5,000 shirts, or can I sell 3,000 shirts and 7,000 CDs? Well, now that number starts to go down. You started to add ticket sales to that. You start to add production, songwriting fees. But then can you find the one outlier that might help you get there 10x faster? So what I mean by that, this is really funny. So I've been telling musicians to do this forever. No one listens to me, and you probably won't either as you listen to this. But I just had someone actually do it, which makes me like so much more optimistic. They went to a advertising agency and they say, hey, I know you do a lot of the commercials in the area. Who do you use for music? I have this track that would work great for this, and I have like these 10 tracks, and here's how they would work for your clients. And they go, oh my God, these songs are awesome. How do we license them? And they go, oh, you can just pay me direct. And if you're paying $10,000 a song to license that, what if you just paid me $1,000 a song and I'll give you 100% of the rights?
Right.
And the advertising firm was like, they didn't understand at first because they're like, we have to go through and he's like, no, you can just go right through me.
Right.
And so this musician ended up selling 10 tracks at $1,000 a piece, got a $10,000 check in like a week.
Wow.
So that 10x'd his advancement,
income, yeah.
right? But now can you go to another ad agency? Well, now those people don't just do one commercial for, they do 10 over the course of the year. So can you sell more to that? So can you find the outlier? So an ad agency is just one, but like who else could you be selling things to? Where else could you be playing? Can you suck it up? And this is the thing musicians don't want to hear. Go play a goddamn cover show,
right.
And get $1,000 for it.
Yeah.
Get $500 for it.
Right.
Well, great. Guess what? That's $500 is the same equivalent of selling 50 $10 CDs.
Right.
So what are some of the outliers that you can use to add to your product suite? Like for our business, so we'll do very well this year, but we have, about a dozen products that are, anywhere between $500 and $12,000. And if someone buys something for $500, great. Someone buys something for $8,000, great. Someone buys something it's way easier when you have different products. I think musicians and artists make the mistake of, I got one T-shirt and I got one CD. Why am I not making any money?
Right.
That's why.